a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what do you do if your manager or owner wants you to lie about issues with a heating and air system so you can sell products that are profitable? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Silvenbell, coming to you live from Sacramento, California, on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. All right. At some point, unfortunately, you'll probably end up with the moral dilemma of a manager and possibly even a business owner wanting you to do immoral things by lying, cheating, and stealing. Now, this happens like that much. Not very often, but occasionally you run across this and nobody's ever prepared you for it. So buckle up. You should probably have this conversation and say, what do I do? All right, so here is the typical rundown. Hey, technician, let's go have a conversation. And these conversations are hardly ever in a group. They're always individuals. They're always going to, we're going to have a meeting, and they're going to pull you aside and go, hey, buckaroo, it's going to be like this weird, awkward silence. We need something from you. We need leads. We're in trouble. The owner went to Vegas and bet a bunch of money on blackjack. I'm up for a bonus. Numbers weren't good last month. So what we need you to do is set leads, and like just for the time being, like let's just say for a minute the rules are off the table. Let's just say for a minute, like there's a lot of like, let's just say for a minute you could do whatever you want, whatever you need. Like in your mind, the right answer is I'm sorry, I don't do that. Right? If you make that decision right now, today, if you make that decision, you don't have to like think about it. Like that's not the way that I operate. That's not in my personal purview. That's not my operating system. That's not how I operate. Let's see. I don't do that. Like you should really make this decision right now. Fortunately, it doesn't happen very often, right? This isn't something like every single day at every single company. This is a small subset of the population. And when you are prepared and you know what you're going to say and you know what you're going to do and you have this conversation, like, no, I don't do that. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Like this isn't how I operate. Not like I'm repeating myself because it's really easy for me to do this. Because at one point I had somebody come to me and say, hey, Scott, these are the things that I need you to do. And my brain went, no. And I'll tell you what you do if this happens to you. But first, if you want to be better sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should go to HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods. Not in the Facebook group, not the YouTube channel. It means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. It's an email publication. And occasionally I try to sell stuff, okay? So let's say manager calls you in like, sales dude, technician, I need you to make stuff up for the time being because we need revenue. We screwed up, or I need to get my bonus, or we need to stay in business. What you do is you go, no, in whatever way you're going to say it that you've already decided. I don't do that. I don't participate. This goes against every single one of my beliefs. And then as soon as the meeting's over, you go start making phone calls to go work for another company that doesn't play games, that doesn't want you to lie, cheat, or steal, that doesn't want you to do what I would call cross the moral, ethical line of taking advantage of people. You don't have to. Like, oh my goodness, this is the thing that people, like, you don't have to lie to be a good technician. Like, it's the automatic assumption that the good technicians are lying because they got skills and talents, and it's just hard to believe they might have practiced to get there. It's hard to believe that they may have some amazing skills. It's hard to believe that they could be a good communicator, right? And so what happens is technicians see dude over here making it or chick over here making it, and like the automatic assumption is you're a liar, cheat, and fraud. No, that's like the people in the industry that screw up are like this much, right? Out of like huge amounts. But there is a point that you never know who the new manager is going to be. You never know that somebody's one bad weekend in Vegas away from asking you to do stuff that you wouldn't normally do. And when you're prepared, like today, like just come up, that's my challenge for you. Come up with your statement today. What are you going to say? Manager comes to you and says, I want you to lie, cheat, or steal. Owner comes to you, I want you to lie, cheat, or steal. What are you going to say? Like, here's my exact, like, I'm sorry, I don't do that. Like, that's crazy talk. I don't know. I'm not participating. Thanks for having this meeting with me. Are we done? We should go have a conversation with HR. Like, no, that's no bueno. We're not doing it. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3, find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.